After the Anglo-Saxon period comes a new chapter in English literary history, that is Anglo-Norman period from 1066 to 1340 or 1350. This age begins in England with a major event, that is Norman conquest in 1066, when William the Conqueror, the king of Normans, defeated the King Harold, the king of Anglo-Saxons, and which resulted the ruling class of England changed, and so did the language. So there were three languages, that is French for ruling class, and Latin for scholars and church, and Old English or English for commoners or common people. And because of this, most of the literature was written in French and Latin, not in English. But English did not disappear. It absorbed many French words, and it will give birth to Middle English. The major theme of this age is chivalry, romance, bravery, and religion. Most importantly was added, that is romance. Romance was not a kind of like Heer Ranjha and Laila and Majnu. Celebration of the bravery of warriors, that was romance. Famous stories included like King Arthur, Knights of the Round Table, and Sir Gawain. The Anglo-Norman did not create English literature directly, but prepared the stage for something great. And in next century, a poet would rise and give finally English its true voice. So the Anglo-Norman age is important because it was the bridge, a transition which transformed English language from warriors' speech, roughly warriors' speech, to language ready for literature, art, and storytelling. Now, question for you: which language significantly influenced English after the Norman conquest?